And also we have Dr. Mehta Chandi Sangma here with us today. Please, everyone, give it up for our dignitaries right here.
And not everybody's here yet.
And right now, I want to... And of course, we have our Honorable Chief Minister of Meghalaya, Shri Conrad A. Samla. And we have the Deputy CM, Chief Minister, Shri Sniauhalang Thar. And we have our very own Minister of Tourism, Pak Paul Lindo.
A very good evening to everyone. And as you can make out, we are neither Bonium and nor are we Econ. But we just here to take a few seconds. It's a very special evening for all of us. And I'm very, very happy and excited that the Honorable Union Minister for DoNER has agreed to come and be with us out here. Tourism is a very, very important part of our overall strategy for our region, and through the Department of Northeast, we are very, very hopeful that a lot of support is being given and in the future also will be given. So I'm very happy to see our Honorable Minister, and on behalf of our state, our people and our region, I would like to take this opportunity, sir, to welcome you to our state and to this festival, sir. And also I would like to thank our Deputy Chief Minister, Mr. Sniauhalang Thar, our Tourism Minister, Mr. Paul Lindo, and all the organizing committee who have made this particular festival possible. So I really would like to thank all of you, congratulate all of you, and really would like to wish everybody a very great evening, and at the same time would like to request our Honorable Minister for DoNER to kindly say a few words.
On the stage here with me, your loving Chief Minister Conrad. Come on, give it up to him with a sound of applause for him. Our Deputy CM, our Tourism Minister, and to all of you, 4 cheers to you. I have not seen this level of energy at any concert in India that I'm seeing here at Cherry Blossom. So it's great to be here, it's great to be amidst this huge amount of energy, to have a towering figure like my friend Conrad leading this whole charge in Meghalaya. Hats off to him and hats off to you guys. Meghalaya is the abode of the clouds, and that's what one feels when one is here. Tremendous amount of energy, tremendous amount of tourism potential. And I'd like to say to all of you that Meghalaya is not only the abode of the clouds, but Meghalaya is the capital of music. Music for India and music for the rest of Asia. So I don't want to come between yourselves and what's going to come onto the stage tonight. Let's all have a great time. Thank you very much.
So right now, everyone, I would like to
Stone for a very iconic project, which is a skywalk in Mokadok area. And we'd like to thank the Honorable Minister for having sanctioned this particular project, and a great honor that he is himself laying the foundation for this particular iconic skywalk project at Mokadok. Thank you very much.